This lecture will explain how to do the immediate inference of contraposition, and will explain what types of statements contraposition is valid for. Contraposition is what we might call a derived immediate inference, because what underlies contraposition is really a series of immediate inferences: obvert, convert, obvert. However, wherever this sequence of inference would be valid, we can use the following basic schema to generate the contrapositive as an immediate inference. We don't have to go through all the steps of obvert, convert, obvert. We can go right straight to the contrapositive. The way the schema goes is we change both the subject and predicate terms into their complements, and then we switch places, leaving everything else alone. Don't change the quality or the quantity. So, for example, some cats are not orange-colored things. So what we do is we change orange-colored things into non-orange-colored things. We change cats into non-cats, and then we switch the subject and the predicate terms. So this was in the predicate position before. It's now, the complement of that is now in the subject position. And where cats was in the subject position before, its complement is now in the predicate position. And you can see it started out as an O proposition, and it ended up as an O proposition. So we didn't change the quantity or the quality. Some more things about contraposition. So contraposition is only valid for A and O propositions. And like conversion, we can use the same kind of mnemonic. We take the second two vowels, and we note that they are in the word contraposition, and we note that they are the types of categorical propositions that contraposition is valid for. So I know I use that to help me remember. So why isn't contraposition valid for E propositions or O propositions? Well, let's walk through it. So consider no cats are scaly things. Okay, we can do aversion on that, because aversion is valid for everything. So that becomes all cats are non-scaly things. And now it's an A proposition. Notice that. When we try to convert it, we get stuck, because conversion is not valid for A propositions. So that's why we can't do contraposition on E propositions, because we can't get all the way through the sequence of obvert, convert, obvert. Likewise, some cats are furry things. Again, we can avert it, no problem. But then it becomes an O proposition, and sadly, conversion is not valid for O propositions. So again, we get stuck. So that's why it is only, but A and O propositions, you can work, I'll let you work this out for yourself. You could go through all the steps, obvert, convert, obvert, and you'll see that you'll end up in exactly the same place as is given by the basic schema in both cases. But as you can see here, you can't get all the way through the sequence for E and I propositions.